Hello everyone, welcome to a glorious episode of Southdown Garage, the first ever using the hoist. And to do that, this is going to signify the end of this winter that has been weird by putting these wheels on. So what are we going to need? Well, you're going to need a jack, unless you have a hoist like me. First things first, what do you got to do? You have to go into your trunk and get this magnificent kit out. In that kit, you're going to want to take this little hook out. That's to remove these. I'll show you in a second. And then you want to make sure you get your locking ring or your lock key out. Now, if you're doing what I'm doing and you're going ahead and you're putting on new aftermarket wheels, you're going to also need some special lug nut that has extra little keyway to fit inside these nice wheels so that everything looks nice. To get these wheels off, you're going to need either an impact gun or a breaker bar / breaker bar ratchet. If you aren't using this, make sure you do not jack up the car first before using this. But if you have this, don't worry about it and jack your car up. After we're done the install, you're going to make sure you want to have a torque wrench. Please use a torque wrench. Don't be a psycho. Now that we show you what we're going to use, let's go ahead and take off these bone stock winter tires and put these awesome tires on. First things first, let's get these caps off. Fish this little hook through, pull them out. Probably shouldn't take this off with an impact gun, so don't follow my example. While you're in here, you might as well check out the meats. No, I got tons of meat left. We're good. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so I'm not using a ton of torque on this gun. I'm just using enough to seat the wheel. And now that that's seated, I can go ahead and continue on with the other 3 wheels. And then we can lower this thing down and check and do the torque properly once it's on the ground. Now that you've got the car back on the ground, make sure you're putting your wheel nuts. If you're going to different wheels, make sure you put them in somewhere you're going to remember. I'm putting them in the spare tire holder, and then, well, if you weren't like me and wanted King Kong in your trunk, you'd put this back in your trunk, but I'm not going to because that's not there anymore. But I'm going to put it in a place that I'm not going to forget it. Now, as you saw before, I went to the glove box and I pulled out our Bible. Yes, it is the owner's manual, and I took a look at page 300, and it shows you the wheel torque. It's 88 foot-pounds or 120 newton meters, which, let's be honest, that's a stupid number. So I got my torque wrench, it's set to 88 foot-pounds, and we're gonna go ahead and torque the wheels. Make sure you torque, oh, that's already tight, nice. In a star pattern. So tomorrow after I get home from work, I'm gonna redo this again, just to make sure that it's driving around, didn't loosen anything, and we're gonna make sure the wheel doesn't fall off. Oh yeah, broke down the side of the road again. I am having the time of my life. That would not be good. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. If you're interested in more Volkswagen related content, take a look at this video over here where I take out a center console. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we will see you next time on another episode of Southdown Garage with the hoist. Yeah, boys. Bye for now.